BrainBobble presents 5 benefits of going on a social media diet. Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the social media in your life? Have you ever wished for more time to do things that make you happy? Going on a social media diet is a great way to get a break from all the notifications, posts, and streams, so you can focus on yourself. You can still use social media, but in a smarter, healthier way that helps you stay connected with friends and family and feel better about how much time you spend online. Join us on this video as we discuss 5 benefits of cutting back on social media. 1. Take a break. Making a commitment to yourself to take a break from social media for a certain amount of time can be incredibly beneficial. It is an investment in your own mental health and well-being, one that allows you to refocus and gain back control of your life. By taking this time for yourself, you create an opportunity to re-establish the balance between work and leisure, allowing you to make better decisions when it comes to spending time on social media. Taking a break also gives you more space and freedom from anxieties that might arise from being connected constantly, such as worrying about not having the latest updates or missing out on something important. Furthermore, it keeps you far away from comparisonitis, the tendency to compare yourself to other people's best moments, helping protect your self-esteem and buffer you from feelings of being inadequate or unworthy. Finally, by stepping away from distractions, it gives your body and mind the chance to rest without being barraged by notifications or feeling obligated to reply promptly to messages. This helps promote clarity when it comes to making decisions that have an impact on your life. Making the commitment to take a break from social media, for whatever length of time works for you, will lead you down the path towards contentment, joy, and productivity. 2. Delete social media apps. By purging your phone of the social media apps, you are establishing a key barrier between yourself and any form of distraction or temptation. It can be too easy to succumb to the urge of checking notifications or seeing what's going on in your feeds when everything is right there at the tip of your fingers. By deleting the apps, you put another layer of protection between you and any form of distraction or temptation. This helps you remain focused on yourself and what matters most, you. The detox period presents the perfect opportunity to focus on yourself, your well-being, and being present in the moment without being influenced by what others are doing or saying. You can use this time to reflect on how social media has been affecting your life up until now and take back control over where you want to invest your time and energy going forward. Taking this very simple step of removing these apps from your phone for a certain amount of time will help give you clarity and peace of mind during this detox period, allowing you to find joy in other things that make life worth living. Use online tools or physical calendars to track your progress and stay accountable to the goals you've set for yourself. 3. Embrace your favorite activities. During the detox period, you are presented with the opportunity to engage in activities that you normally don't have time for. Activities that give you pleasure and bring joy into your life. Of course, reading books and visiting with friends are great ways to use this newfound extra time in a positive way, but why not explore beyond these options? Taking it one step further, take advantage of the opportunity to go on walks or hikes outdoors. You may even find yourself rediscovering the beauty right around your own backyard. Engaging in activities like these can be a wonderful way for you to connect more deeply with yourself and the environment. Feel free to experiment by trying something new, perhaps enrolling in a painting class or signing up for an online language learning course. The possibilities are truly endless. So, make sure to make the most out of this break from social media and schedule quality time into your day, dedicated solely for yourself. You will thank yourself afterwards. 4. Find alternative ways to keep up with news and information. Instead of aimlessly scrolling through social media feeds for hours on end, why not try and find alternative ways to stay up to date with news and information? By engaging in activities that do not involve an overload of digital stimulation, you can gain a much better understanding of what is going on in the world. Consider downloading podcasts or audiobooks, as they can help enrich your knowledge while allowing you to take a much-needed break from the digital world. Reading print newspapers is also a great way to keep informed without being bombarded by digital advertisements or notifications. Discovering news sources such as these can provide you with productive and informative alternatives that allow you to learn more about the world around you without the attention-stealing aspects of modern media. 5. Track time saved. Once you have taken a tech break and completed your detox, make sure to note down how much time you managed to save. Not only can this help motivate you to take more digital holidays in the future, but it also allows you to truly appreciate just how beneficial taking a break from technology can be for both your mental health and well-being. Consider what activities you could do with that extra time, from engaging in physical activity such as going for a walk or jog, to taking up a new hobby like painting or photography. When tracking the length of your digital holiday and quantifying the amount of time you managed to save, think back on the activities you did during that period. Was it really worth unplugging completely? Did these activities bring joy into your life? Did they fulfill any personal goals that you have been striving towards? Noting down all these reflections will not only help ground yourself in reality after spending too much time online, but also give insight into whether it is worth taking more breaks. So there you have it. The 5 benefits of going on a social media diet. Whether you're looking to reduce stress and anxiety, become more productive, or gain a better understanding of the world around you, taking a break from technology can help achieve all these goals. It doesn't have to be a complete detox either. Even small changes such as reducing your time online or limiting notifications can make a huge difference to your well-being. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by technology, why not try going on a tech holiday and see how much of an impact it has? And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.